These historical YouTube channels are getting millions upon millions of views. Despite being easy and simple to make, this YouTube channel have absolutely blown up, going from 0 to 380,000 plus subscribers in 6 months. And that's only by telling stories of historical figures using the power of AI. And these videos are actually insanely engaging. In this video, I will show you how to create these videos so you can attract some views across the social media platforms. Look at this channel analytics. This channel right here is getting 50 million views every month. So let's start. The first step is to create a script, and for this we have two options. First, ask ChatGPT to generate a script for us, and second, rewrites a script. Now, I want to rewrite a script from another video. So, find a video that you're interested. Play the video. Now from here, change the short text to watch and press enter. Then go to description and click on show transcript. Click on this 3 dot and toggle timestamps. Now copy the whole script and go to ChatGPT. Ask to rewrite the text and paste the text. So GPT rewrites the whole text and may add new information to the text, which is good. Now ask to write a list of prompts for Leonardo AI to generate images for each of these stories. Then GPT will generate a bunch of prompts for you. But sometimes the prompts doesn't work quite well. So I suggest you create the prompts yourself for best results. Now for create the images, go to Leonardo and click on AI image generation. From left side, choose 3 image and make sure that the prompt magic is on. Scroll down and from aspect ratio select 9:16. And make sure that the Dream Shaper V7 is selected. Now go to GPT and copy the first prompt and paste it to here, then click on generate. Choose the best image and download it. Repeat this process for all the prompts that ChatGPT gives you. Now we have all the images, so let's go to the second step and generate voice with AI. First, go to 11labs.io and sign up. Now go to Voice Library and find the best voice for your video. When you find it, click Add to Voice Lab. Now go to Speech Synthesis, select the voice you've added, and copy your script from GPT. Then paste it here and click on Generate. When the process finished, download the voice. Now we need a free background music, so go to toontank.com and sign up. Toontank Music is ideal for use as free background music for videos. From here, choose the song genre and we will choose epic. Search now to find the best music and download it. Now we have all the footage, so for edit go to CapCut.com. Click on Create New Video. Now select 9:16, which is the YouTube short and TikTok size. From left side, go to Media section and upload all your footage. First, drag the voice to the timeline. Then drag the music to the timeline. Adjust it a bit. Now select the music and click on Basic. From here, reduce the music volume a bit. Now sync the image to the voice. When sync finished, click on Transcript. From here, select the audio track and click on Transcript. Now click on this button to generate the auto captions. When the process finished, select the subtitle and from right side click on Preset. Choose one style and go to Basic Settings. From here, change the font and custom your text. And from Animation section, select the first one. Now I want to add some animation to the images. So click on Image and from right side click on Animation. And from here, choose the animation. Repeat these steps for all images. Now it's time to add some effects. So go to the effects section and add the effect that suits our photo and story. Congratulations, your first video is ready. I'll export it.
During Napoleon's ascension to power, a remarkable display of audacity and defiance unfolded. Historically, the Catholic Church held immense sway in Europe, symbolizing authority by crowning monarchs. However, when the Pope attempted to crown Napoleon, he boldly seized the crown from the Pope's hands and anointed himself. Amid heated political debates criticizing his policies, Napoleon, engrossed in a war, dismissively retorted, "Is this the time for petty politics? All authority rests in the throne." But what